here we go. Okay, your controls. Power to idle, level the wings, and then bring the nose up. Okay? And then you can reset the power for normal cruise.
Damn, that was quite the dive.
Alright, my controls.
Your controls.
My controls. Alright, so now we're going to take it a step further. We're going to try to recover to an altitude and a heading, okay?
Okay.
This is what they're going to have you do on the check ride.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, I'm going to want you to take me to a heading of 360
Okay.
and an altitude of 3,500.
3,500.
Yep.
60. Okay.
We have a control problem.
What's that?
The elevator won't go past this position. See that?
Oh. Are you sure?
Yeah.
What if I take a look?
Yep. Don't yard on it too much because I don't want to. Do that.
Huh.
Alright, go ahead and take the goggles off.
Are we gonna head back?
Yeah.
Damn it.
Alright, I'm going to fly us back.
Okay. Have you had that happen before?
Never.
Oh. Are you gonna call?
Yeah. Pan Cessna 9046 here, Foxtrot is about 7 miles to the northeast of Paint Field. We're having a flight control problem. We're heading back to Harvey Field. Elevator is jammed.
Aircraft with jammed elevator, you transmitting guard, sir?
I'm sorry, what was that?
You transmitting guard, you need any assistance?
Negative, we don't need assistance at this time. We're just going to try to take it back to Harvey. I should have enough control authority to get it on the ground.
Okay.
Southbound landing mid-lake, Lake Command traffic.
Aircraft calling on emergency 121.5 Seattle radio. Say again your call sign again.
This is Cessna 9046 here at Foxtrot.
Cessna 9460 Foxtrot, no flight plan on storage. Were you going up to Canada or did you have something filed?
Negative, sir. We're a local practice flight just to the north of Harvey Field, Sierra 43, and we're currently on our way back there now about 6 miles to the northeast of Paint Field.
Number 9460 Foxtrot, copy. 6 miles northeast of Paine Field, back to Harvey Field. Let us know if you need any other assistance. and we'll monitor this rig.
Okay, we will be switching to advisory frequency shortly, and we'll get back with you and let you know if we need any further assistance. 60 Foxtrot.
60 Foxtrot, roger. Last altimeter I show at Payne Field, altimeter 3008. Airman still in effective amount of skimming. And IFR to your west, but most of that is burned off fairly rapidly now, so really not a big factor. Let us know if you need any other assistance, and I'll report your question if you have time.
Okay, 3008, 60 Foxtrot, thanks for your help.
So the elevator is, we have a little bit of nose up left. Okay, I don't know how much we're gonna lose once we slow it down. We have trim, okay? Right?
Yeah. And it won't go back all the way?
No, it's stuck right here. That's as much as we got.
Okay. Have you
Never had this happen.
have you had to declare an emergency before?
Nope.
I guess we didn't declare emergency, right?
No, urgent.
And
Yep.
Just study traffic.
Harvey traffic, Cessna 60 Foxtrot's 1,500 over the bend in the river. And we have a flight control problem, and we'll be coming in to make a landing, left traffic 33, Harvey.
this plane was about 1 hour from its next 100-hour.
Really?
Yeah.
Harvey traffic, all traffic be advised, jumpers away from 5,000 over the east field. Please use caution. 38 Delta descending to the west of the field for the 45 for left traffic 33. Harvey.
Robert, what kind of problem are you having?
Our elevator is currently jammed, 60 Foxtrot.
Are you going to try and slip it in?
No.
What's the plan?
Well, I'm gonna make a normal approach, so I'm gonna have to use the trim a lot more.
Stand by, Robert. We're going to get Preston for you.
Harvey traffic, Cessna 90460 Foxtrot's 1,000 feet, 2 mile 45 for 33, Harvey.
That's as much nose up as we got.
Harvey traffic, Cessna 90460 Foxtrot's turning left downwind 433, Harvey.
Harvey traffic. 38 Delta is over the bend in the river, descending through 2,300 on the 45 for 33. Harvey. Harvey traffic, 38 Delta, 2 mile 45 for 33. I have the downwind traffic in sight. Harvey.
Harvey traffic, Cessna 90460 Foxtrot's turning left base for 33, Harvey.
Harvey traffic, 38 Delta turning left downwind for 33. Have base traffic in sight. Harvey.
Sierra Fox, Harvey.
60 Foxtrot's turning final 3-3, Harvey. Go ahead.
Hey, is it responding to the trim at all?
Yeah, I'm using the trim to get us in here. 60 Foxtrot.
Heavy traffic, 38 Delta, turning left base, 3-3, Harvey.
I'm just going to go full nose up trim, and then just release the forward pressure to flare. Okay?
Got it. A little fast.
Yep, I'm okay. I wanted to be
Heavy
a little
traffic,
fast.
38 Delta, turning final, 3-3, Harvey number 2.
Jeez. It broke loose right there.
Oh boy, good landing.
Thank you.
Yeah, so the resistance gave way.
Right.